Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about something very powerful, something that can change your entire life. You exist exactly as you believe. This means the way you think about yourself shapes the way you live. Your beliefs about yourself become your reality. If you believe you are strong, you act strong. If you believe you are weak, you act weak. If you believe life is good, you find good things. If you believe life is hard, everything feels hard. This is not magic. This is how your brain and life actually work. We will explore this powerful idea together. I promise it will change how you see yourself. 1. What is a belief? A belief is something you think is true. It is an idea you accept in your heart and mind. You did not choose most of your beliefs. They came from your life experiences. They came from your parents and family. They came from things that happened to you. Over many years, these experiences built your beliefs, and now those beliefs feel very real and very true. Here are some examples of beliefs people have about themselves. I am a good person. I am loved. I am not good enough. Nobody likes me. Look at these beliefs carefully. Some of them are positive. Some of them are negative. Your beliefs become the glasses you wear. They change how you see everything. 2. How beliefs shape your life. Your beliefs are like seeds. Small seeds grow into big trees. Small beliefs grow into big results. Let me show you how this works. A person believes this: I can learn anything if I try hard. So when a challenge comes, he keeps trying. He works hard, and he learns and improves. And the belief feels more and more true. Do you see? The belief came first. The result came later. Your belief created your reality. 3. Where do negative beliefs come from? Many people carry negative beliefs about themselves. These beliefs feel very real. They feel like facts, but most of the time they are not facts. They are just old stories, stories that started a long time ago. Maybe people around you had negative beliefs and they passed those beliefs to you. These experiences planted seeds in your mind. Over time, those seeds grew into strong beliefs, and now those beliefs feel like the truth. But here is something very important. Beliefs can change. You have the power to change them. 4. The stories we tell ourselves. Every day, you talk to yourself. This is called self-talk. Most people do not notice their self-talk, but it is happening all the time. Inside your head, there is a voice. That voice is always talking. It is commenting on everything you do. The words you say to yourself are very powerful. They are more powerful than the words other people say to you because you hear your own voice all day long. Those words go deep into your heart. They shape your beliefs. 5. Your brain believes what you tell it. If you tell your brain something many times, your brain starts to accept it as true. Your brain does not always check if it is true. If you believe you are blessed, Your brain finds evidence of blessings everywhere. It notices the good things. You look for what you believe. You find what you are looking for. 6. You can change your beliefs. Here is the most exciting part of this lesson. You can change your beliefs. Here are some ways to start. Step 1. Notice your beliefs. You cannot change something you cannot see. Start paying attention to your thoughts. When you think something negative about yourself, notice it. Ask yourself, is this really true, or is this just an old story? Step 2. Question your negative beliefs. When a negative belief appears, ask questions. Where did this belief come from? Is there proof that this is true? Most of the time, you will find that it is just a story from the past. Step 3. Choose a new belief. After you question the old belief, choose a new one. Start with something small and believable. I am learning and improving every day. I am capable of more than I think. I am doing my best. These small new beliefs are easier for your brain to accept. Step 4. Repeat the new belief. Say your new belief every day. Write it down. Put it somewhere you can see it. The more you repeat it, the more your brain accepts it. Over time, it becomes your new truth. Step 5. Act on your new belief. Belief without action is not enough. Start acting as if your new belief is already true. Action makes the belief stronger, and stronger belief leads to more action. The positive cycle begins. 7. The power of I am. Two of the most powerful words in any language are I am. Whatever words come after I am go deep into your heart and mind. They shape who you become. I am strong. You feel more strong. I am tired. You feel more tired. I am capable. You act like a capable person. Be very careful with your I am statements. Choose them wisely. They are not just words. They are instructions to your brain. They are seeds you are planting in your life. Start using positive I am statements every day. Here are some examples. I am strong enough to face challenges. I am becoming better and better. I am worthy of good things. Say these words with feeling. Say them like you mean them. Even if you do not fully believe them yet, say them anyway. Over time, your brain will start to believe them, and when your brain believes them, your life will start to show them. 8. Surround yourself with good beliefs. Your beliefs are also influenced by the people around you. If you spend time with people who are positive, their positive beliefs will lift you up. Also, be careful about what you watch and read. Watch and read things that inspire you. Listen to things that lift you up. Feed your mind with good things, and your beliefs will grow in a good direction. 9. An example of Hellen Keller. History is full of people who change their lives by changing their beliefs. Hellen Keller was blind and deaf from a very young age. Many people believed she could not learn, but she believed differently. She believed she could learn and grow, and she became one of the most inspiring people in history. 10. Conclusion. Let us remember what we learned today. You have the power to choose new beliefs. You have the power to tell yourself a new story. Watch your inner voice. Question your negative beliefs. Replace them with better ones. Act on your new beliefs every day. You are not who you were yesterday. You are who you choose to be. And it all starts with what you believe. Thank you so much for listening all the way to the end. It shows that you believe in yourself enough to learn and grow. Keep going. Keep believing. If this message helped you, please subscribe and come back for more.